I'm Heather with WTI. Bertha and I have something to show you. Yes, I named her finally, but she has been with me for 28 years. Big Bertha is an amazing plant that just keeps growing and growing and growing. Let her leaves fall here so that I can show you what keeps her so happy. It's this. It's potting soil. And yes, you can order potting soil from Amazon. This is an amazing mix, keeps her very happy. I love that it shows straight up to my door because I am frequently repotting her so that she can continue to grow. She has these little roots that will pop out if there's not enough soil. So you need lots of soil in a giant container. The blend is great for a wide variety of container plants. I'll also put a little water bottle upside down to try to keep her drinking whenever she needs a little sip. The best way to water your plant is to soak and allow them to drain. That way they get all that they want. What's very cool is you have directions if you don't know what you're doing on the back of the bag. So for noobs and for anyone experienced as well, the mixture continues feeding her for up to 6 months. So yes, it's good to add dirt occasionally, but you don't need it for a while. So whenever I repot, I leave some of the old soil and then add the new, and this is my favorite mix. Show you a little look at some of the other plants that benefit from this. Good to keep one on hand, very cost effective too, and of course, doesn't hurt that it shows right up at your door. I swear by this potting mix. I use it for all my plants, but especially Bertha, she, I think, is grateful for it because she just keeps growing. That's my point of view.